What's going on here?
We're going on the world's longest tram in Albuquerque. World's longest aerial tramway. Ready? We'll see how this might be a short trip.
Walking around to get inside tram 14. There we go. Oh my goodness. We're here at the top. There is Albuquerque.
So you know how high up we are?
No, I did not. Whoa.
Please don't do that.
You're supposed to tell us what's going on.
I don't want to be tour guide.
You can come out here to go skiing. It says so on the sign.
Hi, I'm ready to be a tour guide now. We are up on a mountain in Albuquerque, New Mexico. It's very windy and cold. If you look over there, it's just, and you can probably see all the way to Florida, maybe, right? That's pretty much, don't do that. I don't want to be zoomed in on. You want me to? I'm the map.
On the map. Do you know who Dora is?
Of course.
Hello, Josie.
Yeah. Yes. Well, Josie's thinking, I'm a map. There's one up near us.
This is Josie at 10,000 feet.
How old are
Pretty
you?
happy.
How old are you, Josie?
How old are you, Josie? Oh, she's not talking.
Are you 10? Are you
Did you
20?
hear that?
Are you 2?
Robin's aging. She doesn't want to say anything now that we're being filmed
Tell
for
your
posterity.
Tell your Aunt Elizabeth what you're going to be for Halloween.
Oh, not talking.
You say trick or treat.
She's lost all.
Can you say I'm
lost all power of speech.
I'm a
Never
cranky
quiet,
girl?
but now she can't talk.
She said I'm a cranky girl.
Oh, she's cranky. Did you hear that?
Hi, Josie.
She says I'm a cranky girl now. Yeah. And then in a few minutes she'll say, I'm happy I did it. And we all say, oh, that's good. I guess.
Hi, Josie.
Sometimes she just says she's angry, so we have to figure that out. You know.
Don't put your lollipop in the dirt, honey.
Yes. Never stop.
I don't know if the lollipop was a good idea.
What?
So I don't know if the lollipop was a good idea.
They say to give lollipops when you're at high altitude so your ears don't get stopped up.
Sunny.
I thought that was gum.
Way over the other mountains. Gum, gum. And we're near a ski.
Hi, Josie. Hi, Josie.
And there's some kind of a
How old are you? 3 years old?
Almost 3.
Oh,
say hi to Daddy? You say, who are we missing today? Baby Archie. Yeah.
It's really different.
He's a little sick.
Nice. The colors are different, or lack thereof. There's more colors than you think, but there's a lot of browns and sandy colors. And even when we got off the plane at Albuquerque, or at Colorado Springs, we noticed the carpeting, and it was all these earth tones.
Walk on the rocks?
And then occasionally sprinkled throughout the carpeting was this turquoise. And the walls were all the sandy brown.
I'm getting dizzy.
Of course, now that's
I
all
need to stand up. Stand up.
Tell us what's going on, Robin.
What?
Tell us what's going on.
Dizzy from the high altitude. The sign says, notice, bears and other wild animals frequent this area. You don't attempt to feed them.
Certainly hoping to go back.